Start with a new topic today is finding out the solid what are the solid shapes and their surface area and lateral surface areas. What are all these we will learn in this topic. So first I will introduce you to the three main solid shapes and how many faces are there that we will learn. Now first is the cuboidal box. A cuboidal box, all six faces are rectangular and opposite faces are identical. So here you can see that there are six faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All these faces are which shaped? Rectangular shape, where length and breadth will be there, or length and height will be there. So this will be length here, this will be here height, and this will be breadth. Now, so there are three pairs of identical faces. Three pairs. How three pairs? 1 and 2. This will be one pair. Top and bottom, this will be second pair, and front and back, that will be the third pair. So there will be three pairs of identical faces are there. Now what about a cubical box? Cubical box means all six faces are squares and identical. So you can see that there are six faces in all, and all the faces will be identical, means their sides will be of same length. So that is about cubical box. Now what is a cylindrical box? One curved surface and two circular faces which are identical. There will be one curved surface, this will be a cylindrical shaped curved surface, and two identical circular faces. This will be one, and this, the top and bottom, two identical, means their radius will be same. So this all combined will make a cylindrical box. The cylinder has congruent faces that are parallel to each other. Congruent means their radius will, or the diameter will be same, and they are parallel to each other. One is at the top and another is at the bottom. The line segment joining the center of the circular faces is perpendicular to the base. So this will be the top surface, circular face. The center of this point will be perpendicular to the base. Such cylinders are known as right circular cylinders. So these are the three main shapes that you should be concerned about, and now we will learn what is surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Now what this term surface area exactly is, that we will learn first, and then we'll go on to the formula. Now if we draw the net of the solid shape, what is net? You have already studied about the net of any solid shape in earlier classes, that when we open particular figure, when we open it, we will get different phases because of which this particular solid shape is made, right? If we open this, so this will be called as net. So if all the faces, when the area of all the faces are added up, then we will get the total surface area. So if we add the areas of all the faces, then we will get the total surface area of that solid shape. Okay, so whenever there is a question that total surface area of particular figure, that means the area of each of the faces we have to find out and then add it. There will be a formula for that also. And what is the unit? The unit of the surface area is square unit, means it will be meter square or centimeter square, as it is surface area is there. Now what is the word lateral or curved surface area means? Okay, difference between total surface area and lateral surface area. So if we leave the top and bottom faces of the solid shape, then the area of the rest of the figure is the lateral surface of the shape. So whenever lateral surface is asked, just see that this is the figure. So whenever we are adding only these particular areas of this particular faces, excluding top and bottom, top and base will be excluded from this lateral surface area. So that particular thing is known as lateral surface area. Like here you can see there are total 6 faces are there, but excluding top and bottom we will get 4 faces. That means 1, 2, 3 and the front 4. So adding up of these 4 faces, that area of these 4 faces, then that will come under lateral or curved surface area. So for cylinder it will be known as curved surface area. Why? The top and bottom are the circular surface so that will be excluded. Only the curved surface area will be included in the lateral surface area. So this is the difference between total surface area and the lateral surface area. Lateral, whenever lateral word comes, just see that the top and bottom surface or the faces of area of top and bottom is excluded. Now we will move on to what are the formulas of each cuboid, cube as well as cylinder, cylindrical box, surface area, total surface area and the lateral surface area. Now see surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. So first I have is the cube figure is all the surface, all the faces of identical size, that is length L. So lateral surface area, as I have told, top and bottom will be excluded. So how many faces now left is 4. So 4 L square. Why L square? This, if we are seeing only the one square, so what is the area of a square? Area of square is L square, that you know. Now if total for lateral there will be 4 faces, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 multiplied by L square will be 4L square. Like this we have derived this formula for lateral surface. Same now total surface area. Totally how many faces are there including the top and bottom? That will be 6. So 6 multiplied by area of 1 square will be L square. So 6L square is the total surface area of a cube. Now next is a cuboid. Cuboid means all the faces will be of rectangular shape. Only thing is that the front face will be here, this will be length, this will be height and this will be breadth. So this will length, this is height and this is breadth. So when we are talking about this particular face, it will be length into height, right? So area of this face will be length into height and area of this particular face will be height into breadth. Okay, so we have already learned about this cuboid, that there will be 3 pair of identical, 3 pairs will be there. These two will be similar, so here this two height into breadth will be multiplied. For top and bottom, length into breadth will be multiplied, and for front and back, length and height will be multiplied. So there are 2 faces. So now first is the lateral face, lateral or curved surface area. So lateral, I have told, in lateral top and bottom will not be considered. So there will be 2 pairs that we have to consider, that is this 2, this is 1 pair and the back and front. So here it will be length into height will be multiplied. Length into height, 2 times are there, 2 front and back, and now this 2 will be 2 times h, that is height multiplied by breadth. So the formula 2h is common, so 2h we will take common, and what is left inside? Length plus breadth. This is length plus breadth. Okay, so lateral surface area of cuboid will be 2 times h, length plus breadth. Whenever you are not able to remember the formula, just draw the diagram and then you can see that top and bottom we have to exclude. So which are the 2 things that we have to exclude, and we can derive this formula. Now total surface area means all the faces will be included, including the top, bottom. So this will be as it is, 2 times h into L, h into L, and 2 times h into B, height into breadth. Now plus top will be 2 times length into breadth, 2 times length into breadth. So 2 will be taken common, then inside it will be LB plus BH plus LB. Sorry, here it is HL. This is HL. Yeah. So 2 times HL plus BH plus 2 times LB. So it will be multiplied 2 times because there will be 2 top and bottom will be same. Here front and back will also be same, and this 2 also will be same. So this is the formula for total surface area of a cuboid. Now comes to the cylinder. Cylinder means first we will find out the curved surface or the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area, again the top and bottom will be excluded. You know what is the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. Here height is also included for a cylinder, so it will be 2 pi r multiplied by h, that is 2 pi r h. This is the lateral surface area of a cylinder. What is total surface area? Total will include this area of this circle and this circle. So what area of one circle is pi r square, then lateral surface area of this particular curved surface, that is 2 pi r h, plus area of this bottom circle, that is pi r square. So there are 2 pi r square, so 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so here 2 pi r is common, so I have taken 2 pi r common, r plus h. So total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r plus h, and lateral surface is, or the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So you have to directly remember the formulas, but for your explanation I have explained how these formulas are derived.